Hey team, welcome. I am a certified wildlife biologist, and if you're new to my channel, I have worked with wolves, mountain lions, bears, foxes, lots of eagles and other raptors, and I've traveled to over 40 countries and worked wildlife on over 3 continents. But today I swap wolves and foxes for noses and snoots. Why? Because dog genetics is basically evolutionary biology, but with more drool. How does a puppy go from ancient wolf DNA to, of course, these adorable potato dogs that I have? Genetics, my friends. And yes, that matters a lot if your puppies, think about your puppy's future health. So some popular breeds like bulldogs and pugs have been bred into trouble. Short snouts that make it difficult breathing, spine problems, weak immune systems, basically a cuteness trap. In the wild, natural selection then keeps genes diverse. But in pedigree land, weird show traits can become health disasters.
Oh, you're trying
Now,
to keep up with
certain
mama.
problems are rooted in breeding. When close relatives are bred together over generations, you have those recessive mutations get concentrated, and that's bad news. That's where you get those French bulldogs that basically can't breathe, and the pugs with the cute noses. It's terrible for their respiratory systems. So, of course, what do I have? I have these basset hounds that have these long, floppy ears, but on purpose, I only have ones that are unrelated, and I also give out information on my dogs. So let's get straight to it. There's a difference, of course, in AKC, CKC, and unregistered dogs, and it matters. AKC, of course, being more rigorous registration. CKC is much looser in registry, and they don't really care about less history. Unregistered is a genetic mystery meat. That's the scientific term, of course. So that's why every dog I send home gets a 4-generation genealogy report. It's like a family tree that you can trust. No surprises, no hidden carriers of genetic diseases. Ever heard of dogs being bred to the point where they can't breathe, or give birth, or even walk right? That's the cost of ignoring genetics. And here's the flip side. When we use responsible genetics, we get these. Okay? Healthy puppies that are goofy basset hounds that actually live long lives, not enough to torment your guests. Of course, my older female, she just helps out with taking care of the puppies, and she's over 11 years old. The dogs aren't toys; they're living organisms with evolutionary histories, and they're like tiny wolves raised by humans. Treating their DNA like a mystery box is fun in cartoons, but in real life, it can lead to real suffering. Now, you always want to respect the lineage, know the lineage, celebrate it, and always pick breeders who do their homework and not take any shortcuts. But remember out there, as always, stay wild, stay healthy, and remember, always pick healthy dogs.